Hey guys, we'll be starting soon. I'll just wait for a minute or two and we'll start. All right, that was some problem with the microphone. I thought you guys were ignoring me. All right, good. At least we found the problem. Yeah, the mic got muted, so that was the problem. Okay, I'll just do a quick recap. Okay, since it's recorded, you can just fast forward. All right, I was saying, you see, in this rundown, this area was the only area that price stalled, right? So it was like free fall, and then price just spent some time here, like a month. So this is crucial for us, this area. And then after the breakdown, we found ourselves another range here, right? And we've been trading here for like almost 2-3 months. Let me just check. Yeah, 74 days. More 2.5 months. So this range break is pretty significant for BTC. So what we expect, so we have the break out from the range, and what we expect is hopefully to move higher. But there's a problem. So this is a bullish case, right? This is bull. What if this happens though? We start trading back inside, then that's where you should be, you know, worried about it, because then this may go down below 30, possibly 24. Now this is now significant. We need to watch what will happen after, because you see all this free fall, none of these highs were challenged, right? Whoever shorted these and put the stops here, none of them got bothered. No squeezes, nothing like this, right? They're having a good time just riding this short. But only this one got challenged, taken out, and then pushed down. This is the yearly open. We just did deviation here. And let's see, if we do something like this, then this whole move will be a deviation, which will lead us lower. So this is crucial now. Our crucial level is this. And it's 4,400, 400 level. So far so good. This is where you should be, you know, say goodbye to crypto probably and come back later. Buy yourself some gold or something, I don't know. Some commodities maybe. So yeah. Oops. As you can see how important this level is. Like as a zone, support here, kind of support here, support here, support here, support here, resistance here, and then finally break out and huge move up, and then support here, break down, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, finally break up. Now we want this to happen. This is our bullish case. So let's see what's going on, because I think you missed the first part of it also. So what happened here? We talked about this BART shape, you know, because there is this inefficiency here. So we filled some of it up. We were talking about this BART shape, right? I posted on Twitter. So the base case scenario is, well, we form some kind of divergence here and start moving higher. Like how? I don't use volume so much. I don't find volume so accurate, let's say. The problem with volume is, let me show you guys. Okay, this is the volume, right? That's such a hideous one. All right, so the problem is, yeah, with the volume, yeah, I can see that. So first of all, this is increasing volume, decreasing price, which means that this is not a retracement, but a, you know, like strong sell-off. But this, you know, is, we don't know what's going on inside this candle. Yes, this is a big red candle, but what's going on inside? Because this is calculated with the total buys and sells, right? The total volume. But since the bar closed red, these closed red, but we don't know which side is doing more volume. Maybe these sells are being absorbed by buyers here. That's why we have this big candles. That's why we need some other tool like footprint charts or something to see what's inside these candles. That's why I don't really use volume so much. Yeah, it's nice and all to assume that, you know, nice and all, you know, to assume that, okay, volume is going up, this is going up, good trend, check. Yeah, I don't really see the volume going down here, so it's like a retracement and the price goes sideways, and then with the breakout, candles are supporting this. But then again, we don't know. We don't know if also the selling is huge, but also is there huge buying to absorb these sells. So I don't really do this. It's misleading. What we want to see is maybe see for just a sec. My idea is, you know, forming some kind of divergence structure here and then start moving up. See, RSI has a good way to go towards here, so this might be the case, like some kind of reversal from here. But then again, we can do also this, right? So we just have to see. We're just gonna have to see about this. But for now, since we broke this level, our first, this is resistance, 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 now it's support. Okay, unless proven otherwise. If it breaks, then this will be resistance and we're gonna short it. Yeah, this could provide some support. Again, see, everything is coming up. So basically, if this happens, that's your bullish case. Right, 200 is here. So that might be your bullish case, and which aligns with this level. So that's what I'm saying. You know, this level is super important right now. How we're gonna act around this level? We don't need to touch this level, by the way. Don't get fooled by those. If this is a breakout of this 2.5 month structure, we're not gonna get exact pullbacks, like a perfect retest. Forget about it, because when BTC runs, it runs. It doesn't give pullbacks. Like here, like there, you know. Here's a breakout for you. No retest. Here's a breakout for you. No retest. I mean, it have some kind of structure like this, but it doesn't give retest. So don't expect a retest, but just keep your eyes open. For now, as I said, this area is like make it or break it level. This, short the shit out of BTC. Then this, just buy a bunch of alts and sit and watch. I'm not even talking about, you know, what might happen above, because it's irrelevant for now. Let's see how it's gonna react at this point. And then after this reaction, we're gonna start seeing other stuff, like, you know, where it might find support, resistance. For example, this is a good area. This is a good area. But we have time. We just need to resolve. We just need this one to resolve. All right, that's it about BTC, I think. Let's check some other charts. ETH is kinda in the same situation, right? We just broke out of this range, consolidation region. So if the trend is strong, we expect something like this towards here. Or if we break down, maybe a bounce from here. All this merge narrative, I think that is playing out right now. But it's just, you know, don't just buy shit because there is a narrative to it, because these are high caps, you know. Just stick to your levels. If this level holds, it will go this level. If it breaks, it will go to the other one. If it breaks, then it will go to the next one. Just be on the right side all the time. Sol was great, but a bit overextended at this point. A bit overextended. Like, it made still do something like this towards this area. Actually, this was the most very important level. Now we just try to break it. Now just hovering around it. So I'd say it's gonna just chill, range and chill here for a bit. You know, no rush, because it's already extended in, yeah, 4-hour extended, 12-hour extended, daily extended. I just need to chill a bit around here. Any coins you want me to look at? Oh god, people are still shorting this. You know what? I think this may have another leg up if it just bounces from here. Hey mate. Fucking GMT. I keep telling myself I'm not gonna miss this time. I keep missing it. Because why is it at the end of the list? Theta. I think it looks fine. I mean, you see, there is, in many charts, there is this bottoming structure. So basically all it needs to do, maybe a bit pullback, and then just break this. It just needs to break this. 4.3 and 4.5 area. Just needs to break this. But I think it just needs to chill a bit for another push-up. Yeah, this fucking GMT, man, just, I even put it in the list, but it was so, because I keep the list here like this, and then it's always at the bottom of the list, so I don't see it. I only prioritize this part of the list out of all these coins. This is mismanagement on my side. This is mismanagement on my side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chart. I wouldn't long it here anymore. When this was okay, if I caught it here, I would try it. But now I cannot do anything with this. Cannot short it, cannot long it. It's just total waste now. And it's actually had a very clean setup here. Super clean setup. Simple range play, range breakout, big candle, and then just didn't stop. just didn't stop. Let's see what's going on here. See it, look, this motherfucker still wants to go up. Like, it feels like it still wants to go up. I hate these pen tools that you cannot change it afterwards. Still looks like it wants another leg like this. Yeah, looking good. But then again, it's good because if it starts breaking down here, then it would give us the idea that we should be looking for shorts, no? Then this we will call a deviation and something like that, short. Then I would take a short moldation here. But for now, I wouldn't short this. It doesn't look shortable. AVAX. Try to protect this level. See, I made a video today just about these conditions. You know, you don't really need to trade these because you see this is just to take you out. This is just to take you out. You long it here, it takes you out here. You short it here, it takes you out here. Short it again, it takes you out here. Long it here again, and then just massacre. If you don't know how to trade this, you don't need to trade this really. Sometimes best thing is just to know when you need to step back and be a watcher, you know, be an observer of what's going on. Because this is like, you know, you're just you're just a lion, let's say, right? You're just sitting in the bushes and just all these zebras are crossing by. This is all the zebras, the strong zebras, you know. You try to catch them, you cannot. Yeah, you just wait for the weak one to pass by, and then that's where you jump. If you try to catch all these, then you're gonna end up broke. And when the real move starts, you're not gonna be there to join. So it's just best to observe what's going on, and that's it. I actually want to do a separate chart for this because it's too messed up chart. I just really don't understand anything from this chart anymore. I keep drawing on it. Let's try this. Yeah, better. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of all these. When you're charting, just try to get rid of all the unnecessary shit so you focus on what's important. All that shit you don't need. All that shit you don't need. What we have here? What do we have here? Well, we have some kinda. So yeah, this is what we have. The problem with this one is, what I don't like is we're failing to get a close above this. I think we need a daily close above here. What the fuck? We need a daily close above here. Otherwise this is too shady for me now, because I don't like these rejections. Maybe retracement towards here and then break. I'll just be watching. I just need a daily close above. Until then, I don't want to touch AVAX. So any coins that you want me to look at? I think we had a nice run with coins, and I think it's time for a little pullback, huh? Oops. Really? Motherfucker. Okay. Alpha. Alpha. Holy shit. What's the daily look like? Alright. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, we just like something like this would be good actually, but we definitely need to break this area. Maybe something like that, you know, something like this. Maybe go this, and everyone is like, oh, head and shoulders, bro, and then either that, either this. But yeah, since BTC is above that level, my direction would be towards here. But if we fall below that level and everybody sees this head and shoulders, it's gonna nuke. Yeah, since I'm doing it in the other group, so I said why not? Why not do it in public also? It's easier for me, I don't need to upload shit. And it's there for the people to watch. Now I'm installing another internet just for solely for streaming, so I have like 3 now. 3 different companies. So one dedicated for everything, one dedicated for trading, one dedicated for streaming, and one for TV and other stuff. I hope it's safer like that. So let's see what we have. Alpha we did, wet. Yeah, still something like that would make sense. I think there's a good chance it will go down first. And since this is the breakout zone, I think something like that, something here. Or even if it falls below here, I would take the reclaim. You know, maybe towards something here, and then I would take the reclaim. because this dude needs to chill. The daily looks super extended. 12 hours like that too. Yeah, 4 hours. It's kind of alright. Cooling off. So yeah, but look, yeah, again, that area that I drew, so it just something like that, and then, but it's definitely, I'm looking for these areas. XRP broke my heart. The first time after a long time I traded this shit. I didn't actually trade it, so I just had call options. I had some call options for $1. $1 and some at one here. Some 1 1. So, but their expiry is at the end of April, so I have 1 more month for this shit to go up. But it broke my heart. It's actually not it's sitting at a good place actually. This area is not bad. Look, what I'm gonna show you why. You see support here, resistance here, support here, support, resistance again, resistance, support, kind of support, trying to, and now support again. So this is not bad, I would say. Not too bad. So I'm not really sad about the call options. I think we still have chance. If the BTC does that thing that it needs to do, this will follow through. All right. Any other coins? I'm just going randomly. Yeah, Atom was looking good and then not looking good. It's just, I still have hopes for this guy. Let's see. Yeah, still not bad unless, you know, it loses this. Still looking fine. And also still above here, right? Still above here. Let's see about the close. And plus the lows are respected in the lower time frame, right? I mean, see, unless we lose this part, you know, like a close, I think we're fine. I think everything is looking for BTC to see Link, for example. Link just did what it's supposed to do, just from range low to range high, and completed the move. Now what we're waiting for is something like this, break, reclaim, and then move up towards higher. OMG. Still, I drew this a while back. I think I'm still with this. I'll stick to this. Yeah. I think I'll stick to this. Maybe a bit higher. Like here. Like somewhere like this. And then. But the core area for this to overcome is this line. It needs a close above this, and then it will be better. I think it's gonna just chop around and then OMG SNX. Let's check SNX. Yeah, it actually didn't do this part, it just did this part. Yeah, I was actually, yeah, I remember that. I was actually waiting for this to do that and then do this consolidation after that break, but it didn't do that. So we're above this level now, which is good. I think a little pullback wouldn't hurt anyone. And we have this, also we have this structure, right? Just a sec. We have this structure which you're gonna see everywhere. This was Adam and Eve. I don't trade patterns, but since it's there everywhere, so I think the only important thing is this is a resistance area, and now we broke it. And we made a higher high. All we need is to hold on to this now. All right, man, see you. No problems. My pleasure. Let's see. SNX we did. So basically, yeah, a pullback would be nice towards here. But in these kind of situations, you know, like you know what price does? Price either does this, right? Pull back and push higher, or price does this and push higher, or price does this and push higher. Either, you know, this becomes a triangle, this becomes like a flag, wedge. Oops. Doesn't matter. Some kind of consolidation and or range. Same again, consolidation, consolidation. Either pullback or consolidation. So here it did that. Then again, we can just do this without any pullbacks. But I wouldn't get in here because this just may do this. Of course, I mean, if you're scalping, be my guest, but we're not talking about scalps here. What else? FTM, send mana. FTM is doing fine actually, progress wise. What's this? Why is it like that? This is yeah, more choice. The thing is, for me FTM is done for now, my trade wise, because I was thinking that it would just come here, which it did. We claim that level and push higher towards this region and this region. This is done, only this left. I think it will come later. For now it's under resistance, that's why it was a target. I close my FTM here. Let's see what's going on there. I mean, if you look at it, it looks like it wants to push higher, right? As long as, I think, as long as it stays above here, this region, I think it's fine. It wants to push higher. Because there is nothing too crucial. I think, yeah, all time frames are looking fine. No, all needs to do is to break that level. Basically, it wants to stay above here. Even here. It needs to stay above here. Yeah. Sounds about right. Exactly, see, it just came to the right direction anyways. Okay, same spot. So yeah. Above here is good, below here, I'll stay away. And what else? Sand, mana. I'm bullish on those in general terms, but let's see. Okay, yeah, that's not cool. That's not good. Like, it just full retraced the whole move. I don't like these kind of things. Let's see higher time frames. All right, yeah. Yeah, it needs to protect this level. Because the thing is, it's range bound here, right? This is the range, it just needs to protect the range. It just needs to protect the range. Let me see other time frames. Yeah, tough spot, tough spot. That's it. This is what it wants to do. It's just butchering people up. Fuck these guys up, fuck these guys up, and now fuck these guys up. Now if it just prints a touches here or something like that, then I would take it try a long around here, because the thing is, let's check. I think it's still looking fine. Still looking fine. Still looking fine. Not needs to protect this level. What else? Mana, and finally CRO. Pretty much the same shit, right? Pretty much the same shit. Okay, this guy has a resistance here, obviously. Here. So it's just under resistance. If it breaks, good times. So basically I would something like that. I think it should range here and before break. That's the best case scenario for me. But I would keep my eyes on this, and I would try to get involved around here. Because this is the most crucial level, right? Support here, resistance here, support, support, kind of support, 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 breakdown, sell off, resistance, push up, support, breakdown, and then now we're back again. So this is the most important level. $2.87 and 0. Oh, what the fuck is this? Go away. No one wants you here. Alright, the level I see is here. Yeah, actually that would make a perfect bounce from here if it does. Let's try some shit, if it makes any sense. Not really, it's just we're trying to make stuff up now. Not really. Okay, there are 2 levels I see, and I think that's enough. This is 1 level, this is 2nd level. That's it, we're range bound here until break to either side. Then I would go for this low, this low and this low if we break down. For now I think it's good, like this may be the case. I would look closely to this level. So 44.75 around this region we may see a bounce. Alright guys, if there's nothing else, I think 1 hour would be a good timing for the stream. To wrap it up, again, I think, oh fuck, what really? Yeah, this region is the most important region now. we want the reaction from here. That's it, period. Breakdown, no good. Bounce, buy alts, sell in summer, go to holiday. Go on a vacation, come back after summer. Alright guys, cheers, take care. Yeah, something happened to my throat, I don't know. I'm not sick actually, but something happened. I need to drink something. Alright guys, good night, good day.